Mark's factory has achieved such a level of maturity that you can now program IDEs or integrated development environments with it. And at this point, it became a de facto meta-IDE. We have integrated a UI-flavored Tailor in Mark's factory with React support, and we can write full-fledged applications using both Tailor and the base system. And both systems can interoperate with one another and are complementary. Today you will see a Solidity-EVM focused IDE. Tailor provides Web3 functions like deploy, compile, send transaction, and call. So now we can compile Solidity code like this simple storage contract with a set function and a get function. And see the assembly equivalent, the hex-encoded bytecode, the ABI. We can even edit the code anywhere in this compilation and transpilation path, and all the formats downstream will contain the modifications. Let's try a YUL contract. A simple YUL contract that we can compile and see the assembly code and the hex-encoded bytecode. So we can provide the Solidity code, the YUL code, or the assembly code, and we get the bytecode that we can deploy. Or we can provide just the bytecode and the ABI, deploy, and then interact with it. So let's put here the bytecode for the initial storage contract that I showed you and deploy it. We can see the receipt here. And now we can interact with raw call data. This will be calling the get function, which is a non-mutating function. And we get the result, which is 0. And we can call a mutating function, the set function, which will set the value to 2. And we can see here the receipt. And now we will call the get function again. And the result is 2. This IDE will soon be released on IPFS.